Hello guys, welcome. In this section, we're going to learn about how to install Node.js, Visual Studio Code, and create your first Playwright project. So, why do we need Node.js? It's JavaScript runtime environment. It's required for Playwright, and it's execute Playwright scripts, and it's provide npm package manager. So, just like we install Java in our machine, in order to run the Java. So for the JavaScript, it's need Node.js. Okay, so download the Node.js from the official website and install. It's like a normal Windows application. Okay, so I am going to the browser and type Node.js download. Click enter, and you can see a Node.js official website, and open that. Here you can see a Windows installer.msi file. Download it, okay, and install that MSI file. And here you can see the screenshot of that. So you can choose the node.js tick and npm package manager both tick, and just click on next and finish. Okay, then our node.js installed in your machine. Then one more thing is there, you need to set the environment. For that, go to the environment variable, type edit, you can environment type, you can see edit system environment variable. So here we need to add your node.js environment. For that, you can see a environment variable, click on that. Here you can see I already add this one, node underscore home, and your where you install the node.js, give that path also. Otherwise your node will not recognize, node.js will not recognize in your machine and getting error. In order to avoid this, you need to set the environment variable, okay, like this, node underscore home, and where you install the node.js, give that path also, okay, and click on ok. It will add in your environment variable. Okay, so our the node.js installation and the environment setup is completed. Then next step is the verify node.js installed in your machine. For that, take the command line and node -version. If getting the version number, it is successfully installed. Same way, npm -version, the npm version is getting. So your installation is successful for node.js. And next step is we need a code editor for editing our Playwright codes. So for that, we can install or use the Visual Studio Code. So it is commonly used for JavaScript editor. Okay, so we can use this for our Playwright editor, and it's lightweight editor, IntelliJ Sense, and debugging support, integrated terminal, and extensions. These are the features available for the Visual Studio Code, and we can download it from it's from official Visual Studio website and install just like a Windows application. So go to the type the Visual Studio Code, and you can see the official website. Click on that. Here you can see the download for Windows, and download that editor and install just like a Windows application. Okay, and once you install, just type Visual Studio. You can see the Visual Studio Code, VS Code in short, and open that, and it open like this. And our next step is creating a empty folder, and open that folder in Visual Studio and create our Playwright project. For that, I'm going to create a new folder here and giving a name Playwright demo and save. So empty folder is created here, and go to the Visual Studio and file, open folder, and go to your where you create a empty folder. Go to that folder, Playwright demo, you can see, and select that folder. Okay, so you can see on left side Explorer that is opened, and you can see it is empty. And next step is go to the view and take the terminal. So you can see it's pointed to that folder we have created. Okay, so we need to type the command to create our Playwright project. For that, the command is, you can see that, create the folder, go to the folder, and these are we perform open terminal, and this is the command to create Playwright project. npm init playwright latest. Copy this command and go to the Visual Studio and paste here. Okay, and npm init playwright at the latest. So it will create Playwright project. Click enter. So we can see it will create the Playwright project and ask for getting, do you want to use JavaScript or TypeScript? I go with the JavaScript and move the arrow, click enter. And where you put your end-to-end test, go with the default test, click enter, and GitHub action true, click enter, and install Playwright browsers true, click enter. So you can see it's starting, and see it is in progress. So now I go with the default, and you can see installing is in progress. The all steps are, you can see here on left side, you can see the packages, all details are adding in your empty folder. So it will take a little bit time, we can wait for that. So you can see on terminal, all Chrome headless, all the dependents packages are download itself by providing this a simple command npm init playwright at latest. So it will create a Playwright project, full a framework, simply a framework is creating, and it is very simple. We have much not care about it, how they create it creating a skeleton, and we can modify afterwards. Okay, yes, you can see that it is completed, and all the files and dependencies are now downloaded over our empty folder. So you can see the details here. Okay, and if you refresh this, all you can see, and you can see the test here. You can see as example text test is there. Okay, sample test it's created, and you can see the Playwright configuration. Here is we configure the runtime configuration. Okay, the browser details, or we can see in further in details in upcoming videos. And you can see the package.json, this meta file data. Okay, and you can see node module. Here we can see all the node dependency libraries for working the Playwright. Okay, so you can see this one under node underscore modules. So now we can see the Playwright a fresh project is created here. Okay, then coming to here, so now it is completed, and you can see these files under that project of Playwright: testers, playwright.js, config.js, package.json, node underscore modules. And if you want to install the browsers, we can use npx playwright install. So it will install Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, but this is not needed now because we already done by installing latest. Okay, And summary, we installed the Node.js and VS Code installed and Playwright configured and created a project. Hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you for watching and bye.